What's going on, everyone, and welcome to the Metaverse. In this video, I hope to make your life extremely easy by giving you a walkthrough on how to set up your Coinbase account, fund it, and transfer funds between Coinbase and your Solana wallet set up by the Phantom app. This is the best route on getting set up in the NFT space and the digital art space. And if you find this video helpful, please hit subscribe and share it with someone that you know. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to need to do is open up your web browser and browse to coinbase.com. We'll want to hit sign up and start to enter in our first, last name, and email address and start creating our account. Now, it is important that during each of these steps that you enter in all of the correct information, just because there is a verification process through email and also through your identity when setting up your Coinbase account. After going through the basic setup, you'll get an email from Coinbase, and from there, you'll just have to click on the link and confirm that this is the account that you've created. Coinbase does ask for a bit of more information, like your phone number, and the only texts that I've ever received from Coinbase are due to suspicious logins or multi-factor authentication. So go ahead and enter that in here. And the next step is to verify your identity. And this is the little bit of information about you, like your address, the last four of your social, and how do you plan on using Coinbase. Again, it is really important to enter in the correct information, just because if you do it all right the first time, it will only take about 2 minutes to verify your Coinbase account. There's only 2 more steps that we have to take. We have to verify our identity again by just clicking on verify now and then continue. And the last step is to verify our identity through our photo ID. This could be your driver's license or just a state issued ID. And this step is also required in order to take your funds from Coinbase and send them to another wallet, like the wallet that we're going to create using the Phantom app. From my experience helping users sign up for Coinbase, the easiest step for verifying your photo ID is to use your mobile device. It sends you a text, you click on the link, and then from there you can take a picture of your ID and it will be verified within about 30 seconds to 2 minutes. And now that our Coinbase account is set up, we can start to add funds to this account in Coinbase and take those funds and transfer them to our wallets managed outside of Coinbase. To fund your Coinbase account, it's extremely simple. It's pretty much point and click. All you have to do is set up and link Coinbase to your bank account. And depending on how you link your Coinbase account dictates how long it's going to take to transfer funds from your bank into your Coinbase account. If you're already using another cryptocurrency exchange or platform, that's perfectly fine. The next few steps in this video are synonymous for whichever platform you're using. Our ultimate goal is to be able to purchase NFTs, and we can do that through using the Phantom app. And Phantom app will create us a new Solana wallet. This wallet is quick and easy to set up. It's safe, it's secure, and it will allow you to purchase NFTs and exchange Solana from wallet to wallet. The first step is to browse to the phantom.app website. And on the website, you see that it says that you are going to turn your browser into a crypto wallet. And all you have to do is hit add to Chrome. This will take you to the Chrome extension store. And from here, you'll just add this Chrome extension to your web browser. After the extension has been added, what you'll do is click on create new wallet. If you've already created a wallet using the Phantom app, then you can always recover it if you've lost your password. But when you create a new wallet, it's going to take us to this page that shows us a recovery phrase. And it's blurred out here for a reason. I don't want you all to see my recovery phrase, and you really don't want anyone else to know your recovery phrase unless they are your digital custodian and they're responsible for recovering your passwords in case of an accident. Your recovery phrase is essentially your way back into your wallet if you were to lose your passwords. So make sure you write this down, put it in a safe and secure place, and be sure not to lose it. From here, we're going to create a password that we're going to use to open up our Solana wallet. When we're using the Phantom app to exchange currency from one wallet to another, we'll need to use our password, and that will show us the amount of funds we have in our account along with the NFTs. The Phantom app does give us a shortcut that we can use to open up the extension really easily, but you can also click on all extensions in your web browser to open up your Phantom app and view your Solana wallet. Now it's time for the most important part of this video, and that's transferring funds from your Coinbase account into your Solana wallet that we just created using Phantom app. If you haven't already done so, purchase some Solana, and we're going to transfer these funds from Coinbase to our web browser wallet. When we click into Solana, we're going to be navigated to our wallet. All we have to do in the browser extension is click on receive. And this is going to allow us to send funds from another wallet and receive them within this browser wallet. It shows us our address in the form of a QR code and also in the form of numbers and letters. If we click on copy here, it copies our wallet address to our clipboard. And this is how Coinbase knows where the funds should ultimately go. After we've copied our wallet address, we go back to Coinbase and we paste in the wallet address here. And from here, we want to make sure that everything is correct. If we copied it and pasted it from our clipboard, we're in a really good space. The last step is to enter in the amount of dollars. And this is in your local currency. How much money would you like to send from Coinbase into your browser-based wallet? In my situation, I typed in $100. That's how much we're going to send into this browser-based wallet. After we click on continue and send now, really the last step is multi-factor verification. Coinbase is going to send you either a text message or you'll go to your authenticator app and enter in the PIN to send the funds to your browser-based wallet. And within seconds, you should see the funds enter into your Solana wallet that we just created. And that's the gist of it all. It's super easy, quick, and the Phantom app really creates a seamless experience for setting up a Solana wallet. In the next video, we'll be looking at NFT marketplaces. We'll be discussing where to buy an NFT, how to buy an NFT, and when to trust an artist or a vendor that you're purchasing an NFT from. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit like, and share it with your network, and we'll see everyone next time.